welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel by clicking on this video, and welcome back. Now in today's video, we're going to be doing this very minimalistic makeup look. I know a lot of people won't deem this as minimalistic, but we didn't use a lot of products, so minimalistic it is. This makeup look is perfect for those of you who are always on the go, but you still want to look put together and just naturally pretty. If you haven't already, be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And I want to give a special thank you and shout out to KlaiyiHair for partnering with me in today's video. This is their 24-inch curly wig. It has the 13x4 parting space. This is the hair in its natural state. I just put water in it. That's it. Water. I will have all of the details about the hair listed in the description box down below, as well as all the products that I use to achieve this look. So if you're interested and want to see how you too can achieve this look, just keep on watching. I recently picked up this LANCOME Tinted Ultra Wear All Over Concealer. I wanted to do a minimalist makeup look. I did a look very similar to this last year, so I figured I can do an updated version of the look with some newer products. So that's what I'm going to do today. Like I said, I'm going to use this all over concealer. It's supposed to act as a concealer slash foundation because it can go all over your face. So this one I got in the shade 500. It's the shade 500 Suede W. I just got the same shade that I normally use in Lancome's foundation, so I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. I'm pretty much just gonna spot correct with this. I'm not gonna put it all over my face. Put a little bit there. All right, let's blend that out. The blush that I've been loving is this Anastasia Beverly Hills stick blush in the shade Pink Dahlia, and I just love how this looks on my skin. That looks great. If you're someone who is into very natural makeup looks, or you just want a look that's good for on the go, definitely try using more cream products. Cream products just melt so nicely into the skin. They're not overbearing or anything. And if you are someone who likes really full glam, try using the cream first and then applying the powder on top. It just gives a much more seamless look as opposed to when you're only using powders. Sometimes when you only use powder for each step, it's much harder to blend it and the lines can appear harsher. So what I've noticed is that when I use cream products first and then apply the powder on top to kind of set the cream in place, the look just looks so much better. Just a little pro tip for you guys. Wow, this lash does not want to let me be great. So now I'm gonna set. I'm using the One Size powder in the shade Translucent. Okay, so you know what? I realized that I missed a couple spots over here, so I'm going to add a little more of the product. I want to say foundation, but it's labeled as concealer. I'm gonna blend. Okay, so now I'm gonna bronze. I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the shade 4. Oh, whoa, okay. I always forget how pigmented this bronzer is, but oh, it looks good. Let's take it down the nose, like right here in this area. All right, I'm gonna take a little bit of the translucent powder and press it up against my nose here. And now we're gonna move on to brows, and I'm just going to keep them very light. If you guys want to see how I do my brows with full detail, I'll link the video that I recently uploaded showing you guys my current brow routine. Although I'm not going to do all those steps today. This is the Huda Beauty Brow Pencil in the shade Black Brown. I'm gonna dip back into the bronzer and just do my little trick, softening out this part. And if you want to add a little more depth to your eyes, then just take the bronzer and sweep it through your crease. If you want to add a little bit more to the eyes just to create like a sultry look, take your bronzer on a flat shader brush and just dust it underneath your eyes. Okay, so I went ahead and got dressed and everything so we can complete the final step of the look, which is lip gloss. And I'm using the Tower 28 gloss, which I have to scrape the tube. This is in the shade Cashew. I love this lip gloss. I love the shade. Look at that. The tube is like empty. Anyway, that completes the final makeup look. And I want to give a special shout out to KlaiyiHair for partnering with me in today's video. This is their 24-inch curly wig. It is a 13x4 parting space. I don't know if y'all can clock the lace, but I can't clock the lace, even sitting a foot away from my mirror. So I let it air dry so that it could get back to its natural curly state, and I love it. I just pulled back 2 pieces. It looks so cute. I love this look. It's so youthful. But that's it for this whole look. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Again, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye! Bitch, I need some powder. I need some powder. Girl.